In a small town in New Mexico, some people hear a sound, a loud hum. It never stops. They call it the Taos Hum. It started in the early 1990. Only some people can hear it. Not everyone, maybe two out of every 100 people in the town. The sound is loud and deep. It sounds like a truck engine far away. But there is no truck, there is no engine, there is nothing there. People who hear it say it never goes away. Not at night, not in the morning. It is always there in the background like a low pause. They cannot escape. Some people could not sleep. Some people could hit dash every day. A few people even left the town just to get away from the sound. In 1993, the US Congress got involved. They sent scientists to study it. The scientists used special equipment. They tried to find where the sound was coming from. They found nothing. No machine made the sound, no factory, no power line, no natural source. The scientists checked everything. They still could not explain it. Some people have ideas. Maybe it comes from radio waves. Maybe it comes deep underground from movement in the ears. Maybe some people just have if very sensitive ears and they hear something that is always there but too cure for most of us. But nobody knows for sure, not even now. And the strong part is those is not allowed. People in other cities report the same thing. Bristol in England, Windsor in Canada, different countries, different years, but the same loud hum, heard only by a few people with no clear source. Scientists have a name of this. They call it the hum. It has been reported in many places around the world. So what is really happening? Is it something in the ears we don't understand? Is it something in our own ears? Some people more sensitive than others? Or is it something else? Something we have not found yet. Nobody can say for sure. But if you ever visit those and you hear a loud sound in the distance with no source, no gene, and no explanations, you are not imagining it. Some people have been hearing it forever, 30 years.